Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add text box to your Canva project. So there can come times where you have to add text to describe what you're doing in that project. So in that case, text is very needed. So in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So there are two options. One is you can simply go to the left side of the panel, and here you can see option of elements, design, and there's option of text. You can simply tap in there and you can see there are so many options, but since we need a text box, right, there's option that is add a text box in this big bold letters. So simply tap in there and there you go. Your text box has appeared. You can simply type in whatever you want to type and describe your project like that. So this is option number one. And another way is you can also simply go to your keyboard and tap in that T option. Simply go to the keyboard and tap in T option, and there you go. The text box has appeared again. You can simply tap in stuff. I have the text box. So yeah, you can also adjust the sizes of how big you want to make your text and stuff. And yeah, this is how you add text box to your project. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.